Here's how to turn off Gemini in Chrome. Right now, Chrome is sending Google the web address of every page you open, the contents, the media, all of it, the moment you use its built-in AI. It's one setting buried under a menu almost no guide shows you. I'll show you where it hides, plus the two other switches you need to flip with. Let's start with a toolbar. Up in the top right corner, click the three dots, and then scroll down and click Settings. When Settings opens, look at the left sidebar and click AI Innovations. You'll see a section called Gemini in Chrome. Click into it. Now you will see a setting called Show Gemini at the top of the browser. Switch it off. The moment you do, that Ask Gemini button disappears from your title bar. Now for the second switch, which is the one that really matters. Stay on that same page and scroll down to the section called Permissions. You're looking for Share Current tab by default. Turn it off. Here's why this one counts. As long as it's left on, the pages you visit, their contents, the media on them, and the web addresses themselves all get sent to Google every time you start a chat. Switching off the toolbar doesn't touch this, so most people never realize it's still running. The third switch is the AI model itself. Head back to Settings and open the System section. Find On-Device AI and turn it off. That's the model Chrome runs directly on your computer, working in the background. Now for the Genie tip. Here's the catch nobody mentions. Turning off the toolbar does not turn off tab sharing. They're two separate switches on two separate parts of the page, and almost every other guide only shows you the first one. And one honest heads up on that third switch. Chrome leans on that on-device model for its scam detection, so once you turn it off, that safety feature stops working too. So it's your call, the privacy or the safety net. I just want you to know the trade before you flip it. That's it. If this helped, subscribe. I drop these every week. See you in the next one. Want Gemini out of Gmail too? That video's on screen. Watch it now.